TryAdaptLearn. In this video, we will change the engine oil in a 2008 Toyota Prius. We'll begin by jacking up the front of the car and using jack stands for support. We will then remove the oil drain plug to evacuate the oil from the oil pan. Once all the oil is drained from the pan, we will remove the oil filter. With all the oil drained, the new oil filter will be lubricated and reinstalled on the engine. The oil filter will be hand tightened. The drain plug will be reinstalled on the oil pan and then torqued down to specification. The oil fill cap will be removed from the top of the valve cover. With the funnel in place, new oil for the engine can be refilled. The oil fill cap can then be retightened on top of the valve cover. Hey, thank you very much. I had a great time making this video and I hope you did watching it. As I make new videos, I want to share them with you, so subscribe now and click the bell.